Fasting in Islam is more than just abstaining from food and drink. It is a spiritual journey of self-discipline, devotion, and connection with Allah. But what happens if you miss a fast? Are you sinful? What are the rules and exemptions? Join us as we explore the wisdom behind fasting, the Islamic rulings on missed fasts, and how to make up for them. Fasting is one of the 5 pillars of Islam, a sacred duty prescribed in the Quran. O you who believe, fasting is prescribed for you as it was prescribed for those before you, that you may attain taqwa, piety. Surah Al-Baqarah 2, Banding 183. But what if a believer is unable to fast? Does Islam provide relief? Let's find out. Fasting is obligatory for every Muslim who is number 1, sane and in good health. Number 2, past the age of puberty. Number 3, not traveling. Number 4, not experiencing a valid exemption, such as illness or pregnancy. Let's break down these exemptions in detail. Islam does not burden a soul beyond its capacity. If fasting harms one's health, they are permitted to break their fast and compensate later when they recover. The Prophet PBUH allowed travelers to break their fast, stating that Islam is a religion of ease. The condition: the travel distance must be significant. If fasting could harm the mother or baby, it is permissible to break the fast and make up for it later. Some scholars also allow Fidya, feeding the poor, as compensation. For those who can never regain their health, Islam permits Fidya instead of fasting. If a fast is missed due to a valid reason, it should be made up before the next Ramadan. The Quran states, "And whoever is ill or on a journey, then an equal number of days are to be made up." Dois it is oita. Making up fasts 141. Paying Fidya when fasting is impossible. Kaffarah, expiation. For intentionally breaking a fast, if one breaks the fast intentionally without a valid reason, they must repent and make up for it. Some scholars prescribe Kaffarah, fasting 60 consecutive days, or feeding 60 poor people. Let's clear some common misconceptions. Can I use an inhaler while fasting? Does vomiting break my fast? Can I take medication? Fasting is a journey of faith and patience. Allah has given us flexibility in worship, and missing a fast is not the end. It's an opportunity to renew our devotion. May Allah accept our fasting and guide us all. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Islamic content. Ramadan Mubarak.